Hi there, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel for yet another little unboxing with me. Okay, so lovelies, I might have done some damage, and it's like I feel a little guilty, but yet I don't really. But before I share that little splurge of mine with you, welcome to my channel in case you are new here. I am Lauren and I'm so grateful that you decided to give my video a little click to watch what I have to unbox for you. If you like girly content, if you like pink, sparkles, all the frills and lace and princessy things, then you probably should just click the subscribe button because you're gonna like what you find on my channel. I have another pair of shoes here, if you can tell by the box. It's a pair of Golden Goose sneakers. Confessions. I shouldn't keep these. They're so beautiful that I think I just have to. It's like if you think of a sneaker and you put Laura's name into it, I'm pretty sure they would equate to this. I just got these in. I purchased them off of Nordstrom's. I might have been having a bad day and I decided I was gonna go shopping, and then I found these beauties and I was like, oh, I shouldn't do this, but click buy. So as you open, this is what the package looks like. It comes with a dust bag and also your passport to the world. It's a Golden Goose passport. This is just kind of like, you know, how to take care of your sneakers, blah, blah, blah. So the dust bag, it says, for dream use only, not designed for other activities, which obviously you're going to be walking around in them, but I just thought that that was so precious, especially with like my whole princess fairy tale Disney vibe aesthetic. Yeah. This is also another sell for me. Are you ready for the actual sneaker? She's okay. I don't have a problem. They're beautiful and it's a must-have. A slide classic style. You can see that it's more of a like high top, but like a low-rise high top, and it has a zipper inside. I absolutely love this. I do own one other pair of Golden Goose sneaks, and this was the same style that I purchased back when I treated myself. They're very comfortable, and I just like the low high top look, right? It's real cute. The pink star, the pink rhinestones, the half studded stars. Oh my gosh, like I am obsessed with it. It's just so freaking cute. On the front, you have like the dirty suede tongue. Yes, I said dirty. These shoes are so cute, but at the same time, like if my mother or father knew how much I spent on sneakers that look beat to hell, they would be livid with me. Same thing with like the destroyed jean look. I was like, I want some ripped jeans, mom. And they just could not wrap their brain around the fact of why I wanted these ripped, holy jeans. And I totally see their point now that I've grown up and I understand money a little bit better. What's on trend? On trend is the destroyed look, and I love them. On the tongue, it also says the same thing as what it said on the dust bag. It says, for dream use only, not designed for other activities. Golden Goose property. It's just very soft. It's like more of like a terry cloth inside, but then the top is like that suede material. You have then the leather white sneak that again looks beat, cream destroyed laces, black sole bottom. Typically wear a size 9 in sneakers, so I ordered a 39 and I would say that they run true to size. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think of these sneakers? Do you think I'm gonna do my best not to wear them just quite yet? Do you think I should keep them? Let me know down below in the comments. I just think that they are adorable. Again, they are a splurge, but sometimes you just gotta treat yourself. If you enjoyed this short little Golden Goose unboxing, please give it a thumbs up. It's always so greatly appreciated. Also, if you haven't subscribed and you want to see more fun, girly things that I either try on for you or I unbox, or I'm traveling to somewhere new and you want to see that information, then click the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell that's next to it because it's going to notify you every single time I upload a video, which is on the weekly. And until next time, lovelies, stay lovely. Bye-bye.